today. We passed through Elliston just before, filled up water, had a feed, stopped at the bakery, the Colton Bakehouse on the road.
The best like sticky fruit buns you'll ever have.
Yeah, definitely got to stop in there.
Yeah.
And now we're at Circle Rock Pools. Pretty sick little spot. We're just on our way to camp. I can't remember the name of it, but when we get there, I'll check in with you. Quick little pit stop on the way to Baird Bay, the Savi. We've just stopped in at Murphy's Haystacks to have a quick look.
Good morning. So the sun has just risen and we are taking the boat out. The boys have got the boat ready this morning and we're hooking up to Riley's car because we're all set up. But no wind at all, hopefully a good day.
That's fucked. That's size.
That was me.
What? You are. We have had a good little morning mish on the boat.
Ooh.
Crab. Alrighty, they're all in the ice water. Now the fun job, peeling up. Tonight we're having some fresh squid with some potatoes and salad, so we're just crumbing them up. Right. After yesterday's cook up, we've made some crab linguine tonight.
Good morning. We have just had 2 days in PERLUBIE. We've just used it as like a little reset. Yesterday's and the day before, the weather wasn't too great. It was very windy, so we just kind of stayed at camp. But today is beautiful. No wind, blue skies. We're kicking ourselves that we're not putting the boat in, but we're thinking of going straight to Smoky Bay to put the boat in.
The Savi, hopefully. The weather's supposed to be good for the arvo and high tide, so put the drone up here and show you what it looks like, but it's pretty cool. Cool little spot. Alrighty guys, we've just come out to a little secret spot here. We got some local knowledge this morning at the boat ramp. We're gonna try for some whiting, some crabs, maybe even a squid. But yeah, we've got the camera on the clamp now so you can see all the action.
Riley just had a double hook up straight away, squid, and then as he was like putting it in the net, another one was right behind it. So he's now got two
squid in the net.
Two in the net.
I've been here for 2 minutes. It's fine.
You tangled with the squid. What did you catch?
It's gonna fall through.
It's huge!
We just got a massive squid in the fucking crab pot.
Here, let me just...
Holy shit! You're kidding. We didn't even film it, but we just got a nice big blue swimmer. Beautiful. Oh, I'm on. On. It's tiny. Oh my goodness. There's another little squid there. There he goes. Oh, I'm on.
It's tiny again.
I think that's a decent one. Back to another decent one. I'll show you how we kill them. So, slip our fingers in behind their eyes and then you just literally squeeze it. And when he goes a different colour like that, you know he's dead. That's big. That's a big one, there's another one there. Go straight under the boat. Oh, there's heaps of them. Massive one. Oh, you're on straight away. Just lift it up. That's another big one. Look at the size of them.
I'm on.
Oh my goodness, 3.
Is it still caught filming?
Yeah. Same thing, slow. So they got 2 other ones. That's 3. That's 3. 3 in like 3 casts. That was the 3 that she just got all in one. Look how big they are. 13 squid. Not bad for a morning, and we've actually also got 1 crab in here too. 1 good blue swimmer. We're eating good. So we basically just put them in the scaling bag and that skins them, cleans them up real nice. And then once the outside's done, all we do is we just flip them inside out and that cleans out all the guts and stuff.
We've had a very successful day today. We spent the morning out in the boat, as you saw, and we packed up, had showers and cleaned the boat back at camp. And then we just stopped in at Sejuna to stock up on some groceries until we hit Esperance. So, plan for the next few days. We're probably going to start the NULLABOR tomorrow and hoping to do it in 2 to 3 days, depending on the wind and I don't know, just see how it goes.
Yep. Yeah, we're just going to get some fuel in Sejuna now and then we're going to start heading. So, see how far we can get in the Savi, find somewhere to stay and then keep cruising in the morning. Alrighty guys, we've just made it to Penong. We're going to head through to the other side of Penong tonight, stay somewhere in another one of the free camps around here. And in Penong here they have the world's, I think it's the world's biggest windmill, or Australia's biggest windmill, that big dog right there. But yeah, come have a look and then we're going to keep cruising. Here we have 3 of our squid from this morning, 1 big one, a couple of little ones, and we're going to do salt and pepper squid tonight. So I'll run you through how we do it. Basically just do half flour, half corn flour, and that's what gets you real crispiness. So a few seasonings, should be good. Got a bit of flour, bit of lemon pepper, some paprika, we're just going a lot today, a bit of Cajun, why not? flavour the better. And literally just toss them in there until they're fully coated. And that's it. Then we fry them. Our taties on here, we've just cubed up some potatoes, well Lucinda has, and then we just put some spices in, bit of oil, let them go crispy in the pan. Grubs up.
Grubs up.
Alright, we're going to rip in and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Morning guys, we've just got on the road, ready to hit the NULLABOR today. This is the little setup Lucinda's driving this morning. I've set the cutting boards up so I can do some editing while we're on the road. But yeah, we're just going to try and punch the NULLABOR in the next 2 days, so it's going to be pretty boring for you guys, but we'll show you all the highlights. And yeah, then we'll be in Esperance. Alrighty, we've just stopped for our last cheap fuel stop. $1.91 I think we just paid per litre, so see how we go. Next up we've got the lookout for the Great Australian Bight, the head of the Great Australian Bight, and then we're on to the NULLABOR Roadhouse. Just made it to the head of the Great Australian Bight, the northernmost point of the Great Australian Bight. And in whale season you can see whales from the lookout here.
And everything.
Yeah. We're going for a look and we'll show you what it looks like. So we just read on the thing up there, but this is also the start of the Bunder Cliffs, which stretch 800 kilometers west from here, and they range from 40 to 80 meters high. Quick bit of lunch at the Roadhouse here. Pretty cool little spot.
What are you picking out on?
I'm just having some shapes. We're at the border.
Going through quarantine.